morning, everybody. You know, we don't get severe weather that often in Kentucky in August, but we definitely had some severe weather when you open up the history books. 58 years ago today in 1966, one of 6 all-time EF2 tornadoes. That's it. We've only had 6 EF2 tornadoes all time in the month of August. Well, one of them touched down in Ohio County today, southeast of Owensboro, way back when. Now, thankfully, no injuries. It only traveled 1.5 miles, but it just goes to show you that severe weather can happen at any time, even though it rarely happens in August and September. Those are really some down months for us. And we've got a nice stretch of weather on the way. No severe weather today or tomorrow, but some thunderstorms are certainly possible as we get into Thursday and Friday. But right now, severe weather not really expected with those. And you can see next 5 days, ½ inch or so on average of precipitation is possible according to the Weather Prediction Center, with slightly higher amounts as you get south and east of Bowling Green. As the very complicated forecast is on the way for this weekend, a lot of unknowns still. So you're going to want to keep checking back with us because the models are still all over the place with what's going to happen later in the week. But we know today we will see some nice mix of clouds and sunshine, with temperatures warming up into the lower 80s by this afternoon. Another day with low humidity as well. Could see a stray shower or sprinkle early this morning. Most of us should remain dry. Notice there will be some clearing to the east, but those clouds remain back toward the west. But temperatures really not going very far, not warming up to around 90 where we should be for this time of the year. And notice by the time we get toward tomorrow morning, for the most part, we're quiet and most of the rain is still back to our west across northeast Arkansas and southeast Missouri. As we get deeper into the week, there is that chance for more rainfall that could be heavy enough to result in flash flooding. That's why there's that low risk for excessive rainfall, most likely early in the day on Friday. But again, there's a lot of uncertainty in the forecast, so you're going to want to keep checking back with us. So we're going to call it considerable cloudy skies today, mid-80s, a few degrees warmer than we've been the past couple of days across the tri-state. Lows tonight fairly seasonal in the mid-60s. And then you take a look at that extended forecast, really not too bad. You're making the drive to Louisville on Thursday for the state fair, really not too bad. Best chance for rain will come Friday, a couple of showers left over early Saturday.